TikTok and the Hispanic Heritage Foundation have collaborated to introduce the Crescendo Con TikTok Grant Program, and this initiative aims to provide $5,000 cash award to 40 Latin small business owners. Keep in mind, this $5,000 you should be receiving is a grant and not a loan. That means you should not be required to pay the money back. But first, before I show you how to apply and receive $5,000 cash award for free, how do you know if you are qualified for this? We will go through that in 7 questions. So first, what if you don't live in the US currently, can you apply for this? I'm sorry, this grant opportunity is only for those who reside in the US with registered business in the US. But there is still another website that pays a grant of up to $4,000 and it works worldwide. So if you are interested in that, please go to the comment section and comment, make a video about the website that pays a grant of up to $4,000, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Then second, what if you don't have a business but you would like to start one? Can you apply for this? I'm sorry, this grant opportunity is for already established businesses, and if you are wondering if your business is a small one or not, just click on this link. It's then in the description box and it's going to help you to verify if your business is a small one or not. Then next, we need a TikTok account to apply for this. Yes, you need one. So does it mean you have to submit a TikTok video? So it depends. Either you complete this short essay question or you submit a TikTok video entry answering the questions. Then last, I don't need reporting requirements after receiving the Crescendo Con TikTok grant. Yes, you'll be required to complete a pre and post survey which will help to assess the effectiveness of the program. So this is the website, and the name of this site is HispanicHeritage.org. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Then just scrolling down, you can see the deadline for application is October 23rd of 2023. Now let's click on apply today. So as you can see, the steps are number 1, register an account, number 2, start your application, and number 3, submit your application to be reviewed. And if you have any questions, you can contact them at info@hispanicheritage.org. Now to get started, click on start application. Then next, write your email and click on continue. Then you will need to verify your email with a 6-digit code, so just copy it and paste it. Then you can click on continue. Then you quickly fill out the registration information. As you can see, your mobile number is optional. Then you click on the 2 boxes at the bottom, and next you click on complete registration. So when this page opens up, first of all, make sure you focus on starting because this is where you begin. And the category here has to be Crescendo Con TikTok, and just now you can see application name. So this is the first information which you have to input. So write your application name. Then next go on to application information. So screen down you can see this information is all provided originally when we're trying to register onto this particular site, so we have no business again with that. So just go on to business information, and just screen down you can see you need to write a business name. For the business website, you can see it's optional, so if you don't have a website, there is no issue with that. Then link to social media accounts, as you can see, Facebook, Instagram, they're all optional. But for TikTok, just as we discussed before, it's compulsory, you need to have a TikTok account. Then based on business address, business city, just try to quickly fill out this information. They are very easy for you to understand, so just quickly read them throughout and you fill out the information. Then looking at this, you can see which of these categories better describe your business. So if it's agriculture, then you can click on that. If it's health and wellness, you click on that. So just scrolling down again, you can see, did you previously receive a Crescendo Con TikTok small business grant in 2021? So if it's a yes or no, then you can just go ahead to click on that. So lastly, click on short questions or video submission. So just scrolling down, you can see in the following section, you have the option to complete a set of 4 short questions. These are the questions here, as you can see them. Or you can submit a TikTok video as your application entry. So it simply means that either you submit a short essay based on these 4 questions, or you can make a TikTok video, then you answer these 4 questions, and of course you can give some additional information based on these other prompts which have been given below. So when you are done with that, you can then submit and you are good to go. That brings us to the end of this video. Please show me some love by liking this video, and of course you can subscribe to this channel for more videos of this type.